Hey, what's up you guys? So today I wanted to talk about my top 5 tips for anyone who wants to start singing. So I wrote a few things down here. So number 1 is probably the most important thing you do before you start anything is change how you breathe. So you have to learn to breathe like a singer. You need to learn how to take deep breaths from in your diaphragm to be able to get a lot of air in and push the notes out. If you just take a breath, you know, kind of in your chest, I know that sounds weird, but you're not going to get enough air. My second tip is drink a lot of water. So not just necessarily right before you sing, but you want to drink enough water every day, you know, like you should. Not only is it good for everything else in your body, but it keeps everything kind of lubricated in your vocal cords. So make sure you're staying hydrated and drinking enough water every day. Number 3 is don't eat a lot of foods with a lot of sugar or a lot of chocolate or candy. So the sugar can just kind of like clot your throat, you know that feeling after you've just had like chocolate. You don't want to do that, especially right before you sing. But in general, probably a good thing to stay away from. Number 4 is always warm up before you sing. I made this mistake a lot where I would just like try to go and sing something. Trust me, it will always sound a lot better if you've warmed up first. There are a lot of videos on YouTube you can look up, just vocal warm-ups, and just follow along right with those. And tip number 5, right before you sing, a good thing you can drink is some hot water with some lemon and some honey. The honey will help give your throat a little bit of a coating. You don't want too much, like I said before, but it just helps to like give everything a thin coating. The lemon is like clearing out the bad stuff, and the honey is giving a little bit of a coating to help things run together smoothly, if that's how you want to look at it. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you're thinking about singing, these were my top 5 tips of things you should do before you sing. If they helped you at all, leave me a comment down below, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. I post a new video every Saturday, with the occasional one thrown in there during the week. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Hey, what's up you guys? So today I wanted to make a video talking about my 5 top tips. Hey, what's up you guys? So today I wanted to make a video talking about my 5 top tips for anyone who... Top 5, not 5 top... Oh, my head hurts. Hey, what's up you guys? So today I wanted to talk about my 5 top 5. Like this one probably will be. These were my 5 top 5. I can't. And I will see Guys, I'm gonna need you to go. Get out. You're gonna be loud and annoying. Go, you two, go. That's gonna be good enough. Good enough.